So we are back. It is April's newsletter, and we're excited because we had a phenomenal month in April. We had a lot of buyers that were out there actually getting their offers accepted in a very difficult market. We also had a bunch of sellers that were able to get top dollar for their home, sold in a very efficient manner, and also had buyers that were purchasing that were unable to even facilitate inspections. They paid over appraised value, and I think it was a real testament to how strong the market is right now and how minimal supply is. I'm really excited as May, June, and July kind of are in front of us, and we're excited to see, number one, hopefully more inventory hit the market where sellers can capitalize on the lack thereof inventory and the amount of demand. Number two, I'm excited that buyers are starting to become kind of acclimated with what the interest rate environment looks like and also what that means for their payments going forward as demand continues to remain relatively high. So the brokerage is doing awesome. 285 agents, 3 separate states. We just signed a deal down in Florida. We're looking to grow. We're looking to bring on more agents. We're looking to bring on more help. We're looking to help more buyers and sellers. I will see you guys in May. Really, really exciting time of year, really exciting time in real estate, and that is your April newsletter.